In this video, I will show you how to buy shares of Drax Group PLC, a UK power generation company focused on biomass and electricity production. Drax trades on the LSE PLC under the ticker DRX.L, and this is an educational guide, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will typically need to verify your account with a photo ID and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker DRX.L to find the Drax listing. Select the result that matches Drax Group PLC to open the official stock page. On the stock page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm you have the correct asset. Make sure the page clearly shows Drax Group PLC and the DRX.L ticker before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your Drax position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to review the platform used in this demonstration.